Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm gonna be using our freeze dryer, our newly bought freeze dryer. So I have here apples. So before this get spoiled, I'm gonna freeze dry them for future consumption. Yeah. So I have here a bowl. I just fill it up with water and lemon juice para hindi mag-brown yung apples natin kasi I'm gonna be slicing the apples. We also have here an apple cutter. Gonna put 2 tablespoons. So these are still thick. I need to cut it in half. Kasi napanood ko, the thicker the apples are, the longer it will freeze dry. So, cut lang natin. Into half. And let's put it in the water with lemon. And so I have my trays here for the sliced apples. Ilalagay ko lang siya. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng parchment paper, guys. Kasi hindi naman siya sticky. Arrange ko lang siya ng paganyan. Yan, dapat hindi nag-overlap para mas madali siyang ma-freeze dry.
After peeling, slicing, and arranging the apples on the trays, I load them into the freeze dryer. Make sure to turn the machine on first so it can pre-chill for about 15 minutes before loading the trays. Don't forget to switch on the pump and close the side valve once it's ready. The whole process ended up taking over a day. I know it would have been faster if I pre-froze the apple slices overnight. But hey, first time freeze dryer lessons. The apples still came out super crisp and sweet and the color stayed the same. Now we're packing them up. The kit includes Mylar bags, oxygen absorbers, and a sealing machine. But since we'll snack on this right away, I'm skipping the sealer. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my page. Bye for now.